Homes by Saint-Gobain. Hello everyone and welcome to Homes. Today we offer you a trip to Czech Republic to talk about the thermal renovation of buildings. The country has many dilapidated and poorly insulated collective housing buildings, responsible for more than 40% of the country's carbon emissions. Why thermal renovation is so complicated and what are the solutions? We ask these questions to Simona Kalvoda, Executive Director of the Czech Green Building Council.
I guess that it is in general the public attitude towards the sustainability and in environmental thinking. There is very low awareness of the benefits of complex renovations and all other aspects. There's another factor, which is the hassle factor, which is a lack of motivation and resistance of the inhabitants, of the tenants to change because of the short time frame or due to aging population, which actually results in a short expected occupancy. So people don't really perceive it as a long-term investment. The responsibility for the thermal renovation always lays with the owner, which means if you have the homeowner association, which is usually the case in this residential block of flats, then each owner is responsible for the investment in the building and they have to participate with their proportional investment. The decision-making process in these homeowner associations is quite complicated because sometimes they have internal rules on quite high majority to approve all these investments. Sometimes it's 100%, sometimes it's 2/3. So you have to really have the majority of the tenants to agree on investing in these deep renovations. How I can encourage them? It's the better education, raising the awareness of the benefits of the investment in the energy efficiency and complex deep renovation of the buildings, which means higher value of the buildings, better internal environment and comfort. Sometimes we can play it on aesthetic value as well. So we need to really invest always lots of time and investment funds in the education of the wider public in this respect.
This is the end of this episode. Thanks to Simona Kalvoda for sharing her convictions with us. And go to other episodes to better understand the local issues of homes.